Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition. Saturday, Sunday, February the 24th, 25th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday. And I've already solved 3 puzzles in this additional. The 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku and the binary. So 1 puzzle is left. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku, yes, aka Tectonic. In Japanese, they call it Suguru. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. Okay. And this one will be number 8073. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 12. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 12. And it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have here one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 3. Cannot see any triple boxes. How about quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Let me check. Here we have a quadra box. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 1, the 2, and the 4 are left. Do not know in which order. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And first, a shape that you need to recognize. How about the L shape? Here we have an L shape. Let me take this one, the L shape. Where you see the L shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Mirrored. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle here? We have another L shape here. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S. And when you mirror this shape, you will get the Z. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. We have only one Z or S construction. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More? Let me see. No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Alright. Oh, overlook this one. The previous one. It's mirrored. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. Overlooked. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. 5. I believe the T shape is missing here. 5 shapes, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes. Surround a 1 can be a 1. That box can be 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then, let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Need a 3 here. Let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Right. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 5, 3. This box is connected with that box. That box is connected with this box. So it can be a 1. Here can be a 5. And here can be 3. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4 is connected with that box. Is connected with this box. Should be a 2 and a 4. Okay. So these 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1, and that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Need a 3 here, okay. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 5 there. If we place the 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here. So not the solution, place the 5 there. The only place left the 5 should be there. So need a 3 here. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Is connected with that box should be so 1. Okay. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this area from us, the 3 to 4. 3 to 4. 1, 3, 4. 2 and a 5. Yep. This box, I think it should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3 or a 4. We have double 3 there, double 4 there, and can be 5. We have a 5 in the same area. So definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Among those 2 boxes, 3 boxes with a 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be also 4. Is connected with this box should be also a 4. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 to 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. This box can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area from those 2 and the 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area from those 3 to 5. 3 to 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Or here, 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Alright. Then, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well. Come on. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left on 2 in this area should be there. Then. Come on. Well. Well. 4, need a 4 here. Need a 2 here. Oh. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 should be in one of these 3 boxes. That means that box cannot be a 2. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of these 3 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 1. And that box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be also 2. These 3 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. 2 numbers left in this area. From us 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left on the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 4. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area from this 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2. I think this box should be 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. Now. Think. 1, 2, 3. Can it be 5, 4? Could be everywhere. 1 and a 2. Come on. 3. Could be a 5 here. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 1 box left on 2 in this area should be there. This box can be 4. So 4 could be here, could be there. 2. Come on. 2. 4. Well. 5. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. 4. 4. Need a 4 there. 1, 2. 1, 2, 4. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 4. So 2 numbers left, 3 and the 5. So it's connected with that box, will be 3 and a 5. So I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 should be there. 1 and a 2, we have 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left, 3 and a 5. Oh, well, we have a 3 here in the same area. So this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. A 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright, overlook this 3. Then this box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And 4 goes there, yeah. "15 minutes already passed. Well, need to hurry. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1 is connected with that box should be so 1. These 2 boxes can wait. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. Is connected with that box should be so 3. 3 to 5. We have 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. 2 and 5. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 to 5, we have 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2, should be 3. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this corner box for number 2. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes, so I know 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Another 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finishing 70 minutes. Well, 4 stars. No, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so it should be a 2 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.